Thank you. Thank you very much. You're too kind. Apparently, apparently, Five Lucis knows Chovy. I see that she likes using your emote. Missing your Chovy vitamins. Does Chovy sell vitamins? I was not aware of this. Vitamin C for Chovy? What are fish? Fish are rich in B12, is that correct? That sounds stinky. Chovy withdrawals. I think you need to go to a doctor for that. Chovy, are you going to be streaming today? Not streaming today. Be back eventually though, but just taking a break. Okay. Understandable. Rest is biblical. It's also a good idea. Imagine that. Biblical things are good ideas. So I started a new podcast today. That's why I have the children withdrawals. I get it. The new podcast that I started is My Strange Bible. By Timothy Mackey. You may have heard of him. He started the Bible Project. And if you probably have guessed that it's pretty good, pretty good. was talking about Jonah today. Well, it's pre-recorded, so I was listening to him talk about Jonah today. Jonah is not a children's story. Jonah is not a happy story. If you've read the actual version of Jonah in the Bible, you realize that Jonah is not... Oh, I know his problem. See? Sometimes it pays to go back and take a fresh look at what you've done. And now I see my problem. I see some blue parts that I did not bother coloring in. You have to color in all the blue parts. That's why they're there. Let's see what happens when I do that. I'm not getting the magic. I'm not feeling magic. Not feeling the magic. Gotta wrestle. Sometimes you gotta wrestle with these ink lines. Dino Dad was trying to give everyone a fake dose of Chovy, since he was trying to imitate you with a Pikachu hat, but he couldn't stay in character. Wasn't saying. There we go. Let's add some hairs, some dark over here, and then nope, wrong direction. Let's add some more darkness over here. Let's add some depth.